On a typical farm field, as you see in this picture in Pennsylvania, there are upwards to 425 million insects per acre. That's a huge number of insects. And how can you control them? Well, you can use a lot of pesticides, but at Highland Hill Farm, what we're trying out is we're trying to increase our bird population by strategically placing as many bird boxes per acre as we can. So we've started a project called Operation Bird Box, where we're asking people to help us bring in and establish upwards to 50 bird boxes per acre to help eliminate some of the pathogens that are on the farm. And we're doing this in an environmentally friendly way. We're using recycled materials to help make
Give us
these
a call
bird
at
boxes
Highland Hill
possible.
Farm for your trees and shrubs.
If you would like to build some bird boxes from us, we can supply you with recycled material to help make bird boxes. You can call us at Highland Hill Farm about our Operation Bird Box at 215-651-8329. We have on one field over 125 bird boxes established. And we're always looking for more bird boxes. If you have bird boxes that you're not using, please drop them off at our farm. And if you're a birder and you want to watch birds on our farm, you're more than welcome to come. Give us a call at 215-651-8329 and help us with our Operation Bird Box.